Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, 2 days in a row. So, yesterday's video went a little toward the negative side, or a lot. I'm sure it upset a lot of people, but honestly, I just give you my opinion. It doesn't have to be yours, and, you know, that's it. I purchase all these boxes with our own money, and that way I can be as honest as I want to be, and if you want to watch my videos, that's great. If you don't, still hit the like button? I don't know. But I just wanted to clarify, you know, like, I'm not on anybody's payroll. This is just me doing stuff that I think is fun, and so I'm going to back that up with, I'm hoping, a much happier video. So let's take a look at what we're doing today. All right, Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. This is the Ultimate Magic Box. This is $119 plus shipping. And we're gonna climb into this and get our Disney on. That's all coming up right now. Alright, so let's get started. I need some happy Disney in my life right now. I don't know about you guys. I sure am missing things. We keep scheduling trips and canceling trips, and it's a bummer. Ready? Here we go. Oh, it's purple in there. Alright, first things first, we've got their fancy little glitters, which are awesome. And this is the spoiler sheet. So this is March? Yes, March, Ultimate Magic Box. So this spoiler sheet tells you exactly what's in the box, what the value is, all that happy stuff. So we will not look at this until last, because I want it to be a surprise. In here we've got purple tissue paper, the Bibbidi sticker. Let's get into it. All right, let's begin. I see a red box. Everybody knows what that means. Okay. Dominic, it's for you, man. Oh, I ran out early today. There's a lot of product in here, so there's not many fun things to throw. All right, first things first. There's some good stuff in here. All right. This is super cute. So, Loungefly, popcorn, and Dumbo all mixed together. How cute is that? I'll put a good picture up, boop, right here so you can take a look at it on the turntable. Take a look inside. Just packing stuff. Oh, the inside's cute too. Oh, that's attached. Alright, so inside is blue and white. That is super cute. So this just hangs on like the back of your backpack. And it almost looks like one of those old things that hold cigarettes, but I mean, I know that's not it, but that's super cute though, because we can put that. Don't we have a Loungefly?
We have a stuffed Dumbo right there.
Oh. So yeah, good addition. Happy, happy. Alright. Oh, that's right. There's a Dooney Dumbo, but not a Loungefly. So, maybe we'll get that eventually. Alright, so, well, that's cool. They started doing the pouches. In here, we've got Alex and Annie with my favorite character, but I probably won't wear this. Maybe. This is, oh boy, Sorcerer Mickey. I couldn't remember. Sorcerer part. I'll put a better picture right here. Boop, so you can take a look at that. Very cute, and it's silver. Mary is absolutely more about silver than gold. So that is very cute. That is straight from the park. 50 bucks. Very nice. This is Really cute. Steamboat Willie. And it's that new style kind of plush where it's like knitted. This is straight from the parks, 28 bucks. Look at him. Very cute. I'll throw a better picture in the photo box. Things are going well. And one last thing. I'm gonna try and do this so I don't see it myself. Jim Shore time. Ready? Sorcerer Mickey! Oh! Look at how cute he is! I don't have this one yet. I have lots of Mickeys that are Jim Shore, but I don't have this one. Let me put a better picture on the turntable. Boop! Check that out. Oh! So good! I absolutely love this box. So, I got two super cute things. Mary got her stuff. Alright, so we are definitely back on track. Let's take a look at the spoiler sheet and see how we did value-wise. So remember, this box cost $119 plus shipping. I think shipping is $6, so $125. Here we go. Alright, so I'll put a picture of it right boop, so you can read along. Alex and Ani, $50. The Steamboat Willie plush, $28. The Dumbo Loungefly popcorn coin bag is $24, and the Jim Shore was $26. So total retail value $127.98. So Bibbidi is really good with always having a little bit more over the value that you pay, including shipping. Again, everything is spot on. So we would buy any of this stuff if we were in the park, absolutely. So I'm a happy guy. If you would like to watch something not so bubbly, you can take a look at yesterday's video, which is right here. Or not, and watch another happier one down below. Or you could also subscribe right here. That would help me out immensely. Other than that, I hope you're having a great day.